Hi everyone, welcome to MathsPar. This video is about finding rational numbers between two given rational numbers. If I consider 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 as two rational numbers, then if I am asked to find one rational number between these two, how do I find? For that, I will use average method. So, half of the sum of the two rational numbers, that is half of LCM of this 2 and 3 is 6. Half multiplied with 6 is 3. 2 by 3 multiplied with 6 is 4, and then 2 by 3. Then half 3 plus 4 7 by 6 of 2 by 3. Then half of 7 by 12 and 2 by 3. So 7 by 12 is a rational number between two given rational numbers. What happens if two rational numbers are supposed to be found? Then surely after finding the first rational number, the second rational number may come in between these two rational numbers or the next two rational numbers. Let us look ahead. Half of the sum of 1 by 2 and 7 by 12, then 7 by 12 as it is, and 2 by 3. Then we find the LCM of the denominators. So half LCM is 12, and half multiplied by 12 is 6, plus 7 by 12 multiplied by 12 is 7. Then 7 by 12, then 2 by 3. Then it is half of half, 13 by 12, 7 by 12, 2 by 3. Half 13 by 24, 7 by 12, 2 by 3. These two are the rational numbers between two given rational numbers, that is 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. What if three rational numbers are asked to find between two given rational numbers? Then in between these two we will find a rational number, that is by doing half of 7 by 12 plus 2 by 3. This results in the third rational number, which comes after 7 by 12. In order to avoid this average method, is there any alternate method to find it better? Yes, we have gap method. Let us see what is that gap method. Gap method. If A and B are two rational numbers and three rational numbers are asked to find in between these two rational numbers, then we need to find which one is greater amongst these two. Say suppose B is greater than A, then each gap, which is represented by G, can be found by using B minus A by n plus 1, where B is greater, A is smaller, n is the number of rational numbers that we are going to find. Then it proceeds further as A a plus 1g, a plus 2g, a plus 3g and b, where a plus 1g is the first rational number, a plus 2g is the second rational number, a plus 3g is the third rational number. This procedure we will use. What if 5 rational numbers are asked to find in between two given rational numbers? Similarly, we will write a plus 1g, a plus 2g, a plus 3g, a plus 4g, a plus 5g, then b. Let us apply this gap method using two rational numbers to find three rational numbers between them. If 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 are two given rational numbers and you are asked to find three rational numbers between them, how are we going to apply this gap method? Let us see. 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 are two given rational numbers. We will find the LCM of both the denominators, that is 6, to find which one is bigger amongst this. So half multiplied by 6 is 3 and 2 by 3 multiplied by 6 is 4. So 4 is greater than 3. As 4 is greater than 3, 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 2. We will consider B as 2 by 3, which is bigger. A is 1 by 2, that is smaller, and n, the number of rational numbers that are supposed to be found here, let us assume 3 rational numbers. Then each gap, which is small g, is b minus a by n plus 1, that is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 whole divided by 3 plus 1. Then this can be written as 6 is the LCM of both the denominators in the numerator, then 4 minus 3, then in the denominator 4, that is 1 by 6 divided by 4, which results in 1 by 6 into 1 by 4, that is 1 by 24. This 1 by 24 is each gap. As 1 by 24. Let us move ahead. A plus 1g, a plus 2g, a plus 3g, then b, where a plus 1g, a plus 2g and a plus 3g are three rational numbers respectively, which are supposed to be found between these two given rational numbers. Then half plus 1 into 1 by 24, half plus 2 into 1 by 24, half plus 3 into 1 by 24, then b 2 by 3. Now, by looking at this 2 and 24 and 3 and 24, you may think about the possibility of cancelling it, but please do not do that, so as to make your solution easy at the end. Half plus 1 by 24, half plus 2 by 24, half plus 3 by 24 and 2 by 3. Now, the LCM of these two denominators 2 and 24 is 24. Half multiplied with 24 is 12 plus 1 by 24 multiplied by 24 is 1. Now you need not do any calculation further. Why? This is 12 plus 1. So here you can write 12 plus 2, 12 plus 3 by 24. That is the reason I have asked not to cancel anything in the very first step, so as to make your calculations easy at the end. Now half, then 13 by 24, then 14 by 24, then 15 by 24 and 2 by 3. Now these three will not be called as rational numbers until and unless you simplify and write the answer. So how do we simplify these? 13 and 24, you cannot further cancel these. 14 and 24, surely you can cancel. So how are we going to cancel? 2 sevens, 2 12s. Then here 15 and 24, yes, 3 5s, 3 8s. So then we write this as half, 13 by 24, 7 by 12, 5 by 8 and 2 by 3. Now these are the three rational numbers which we found between two given rational numbers, that are half and 2 by 3. Thank you.